People often believe that we lose our eyesight because of aging or due to more exposure to screen time. But the truth is that loss of eyesight can also be a result of lack of nutrition in your body and in your diet. With proper food and vitamins, eye-related problems can be cured. In this video, we will look at the 5 superfoods that can really help you in curing your eyesight. Let's begin. Fish. Omega-3 fatty acid is the main source responsible for great eyesight. It is very much responsible for maintaining healthy eyesight. Studies found that people who eat fish in their diet have almost 18% lower risk of developing poor eyesight. Fishes that contain high level of omega-3 fatty oil includes fishes like salmon, tuna, herring, etc. Nuts and legumes. They are rich source of vitamin E, also contains omega-3 fatty acids. Nuts and legumes protect the eyes from age-related damage. They provide protection against the damage caused by age, also protects the eyes from free radical damage. Examples: almonds, walnuts, lentils, cashew, etc. Leafy green vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are packed with lutein and antioxidants that are stored in eye's macula. And lutein is specifically good for filtering out the blue light, which we actually get from digital devices. They also consist of eye-friendly vitamin C. Vegetables like kale, spinach are good for eyes. Citrus foods. They are also considered as superfoods as they have vitamin C, which has profound effect on vision. It also protects the eyes from age-related eye damage. Fruits like orange, grapes and lemons are great source of vitamin C and should be consumed by everyone in order to improve their eye vision. Carrots. No list can be completed without the mention of this superfood. This is an extremely important in order to have great eyesight. It is a rich source of beta-carotene. It is an antioxidant which converts into vitamin A, which is a very much necessary for a good sight, as vitamin A helps with the production of both rod and cone cells in the eyes. So these are some of the superfoods you should consume if you are experiencing low eyesight or there is a problem you are experiencing with your vision. These were some of our recommendations. If you know some of the superfoods which can actually help in improving the eyesight, do let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
If you really like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that next time any video will be uploaded, you will be notified first. Thank you for watching.